Question 17. So for a speed time graph, the distance travelled is the area under the graph. So if we could work out the area under this graph exactly, that would be the exact distance the car travels. Now we can't do that with the skills we have for GCSE, so the best we can do is an estimate for the distance travelled. So we're going to estimate the area under the graph. Now how we do this estimate, we have this rectangle here. Well, that's pretty obvious, that's just straightforward, we can do that exactly. Now this shape here, from here to here to here to here to here, that's a trapezium. You've got two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides. This shape here, there, if you just put in a straight line here, that is also a trapezium. Down there, down there, down there. And similarly down here, we can replace this area under this part of the graph with another trapezium, and then on the end we just have a triangle. Which is effectively the trapezium, but it's a triangle. Okay, so well, it's a triangle. So what we're going to do, we're going to work out the area of this rectangle, trapezium, 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 and triangle. Add those together as an estimate for the area under the graph. So obviously the rectangle is easy. That's just base times height. So that's just going to be a base of 1 times a height of 20. So that's that 20 there. Similarly, at the end here, we've got a triangle, so that's going to be half times base times height. So half times 1 times 2, which is 1. So the area of that triangle is 1. So that just leaves me these three trapezium in the middle, here, here, and here. Now how do you work out the area of a trapezium? Well, you average the parallel sides and multiply it by the trapezium's height, which is basically just the base here. So for each of these three trapezia, the height of the trapezia is 1. And we've just got to multiply that by the average of the parallel sides. So for this first trapezium here, from here to here to here, up to here, then a straight line to here, the parallel sides are 20 and 10. So we average those and times that by the height of 1. For this second trapezium here, we've got a height of 10 and 5. So we average those two, in other words, add them together and halve them, and times that by the height, which is 1. And similarly here, we've got heights of 5 and 2. So we average those by adding them together and halving it and timesing it by the 1. So my three areas of my trapezia are that, that, and that. We add all of those areas together, we get 47. Now in part B, we're being asked, is our estimate an overestimate or an underestimate? Now think about it. If we just take this one here, we're assuming we've got a straight line here. So the area that we've worked out is actually an overestimate because we've actually included the little bit of area here between above the curve but below the chord if you were to join those 2 points. So the areas that we're including here are overestimates because these straight lines from here to here and here to here, here to here and here to here just capture a bit more area than we actually need. So it's an overestimate because the area between the trapeziums and the curve is also included.